Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be decluttering my washi tape. Oh my gosh guys, I am super nervous about this. If you guys have been following my decluttering series, I did a whole office craft room declutter. It was humongous. I'll leave a video link over here if you guys want to check that out. In that video, I skipped over my washi tapes because I was not willing to get rid of even one roll of washi. So I'm finally gathering up the courage to declutter all of my washi. And guys, I really need to do this because it is like super exploding out of my drawers that I can't even find the washi rolls that I want to use and like anymore. So I have been just throwing them all in there. It looks like a hot mess, so it's ready to be done. So let's go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm working with. Alright guys, all of my washi tape is stored in the bottom drawer of one of my Alex drawer units. I'll leave the link to that down below if you guys want to check it out. Alright, so are you guys ready for this? I did warn you, like I said, it is overflowing. Oh my goodness. Look at how crazy that is. So this is two different drawers of these acrylic boxes that I have from the Container Store. I'll leave a link to that down below if you guys want to check it out as well. They are very nice and handy to store all of my washi, but not when it's looking like a hot mess like this. So let's dump this all out. In here I have all of my sample washis. Now a lot of this is actually empty little bits, so I don't think I'll be going through this. So I'm just going to put this aside. I might actually hold on to the empty ones, and some of these that I can't decide on, maybe I will make them into little washi samples for myself. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dump all of this out and try and organize it and give away as much as I can. I do have a box over here ready for me to fill up with all of the washi that I'm going to be giving away, which I probably will be giving away most of this at PlannerCon next year, or maybe one of the PlannerCon parties that I might be attending. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I thought it would be fun for you guys to see the actual process that I'm going through decluttering the washi rather than just showing you a before and after picture. I did speed up the video a tiny bit because I did take a lot of time deciding through which washi I wanted to keep and which one I wanted to give away. I did make sure that any duplicates that I had I put in the giveaway box, and then I did give away a lot of the very vibrant reds and yellows and orange, even some of the blacks that I don't typically use in my planner, but I had a very hard time deciding through all of the pastel colors. I pretty much kept almost every single pink shade there is. You guys can see Patty has joined me. To be honest, I don't think she cares one bit about the washi, but she just wants the box that the washi is in, and she's wondering why I'm filling it up with stuff. And then you can see she totally spots the smaller box. She loves very, very small boxes that she can get into, so she tries really hard to get inside the small little glossy box that I have, but I was like, oh, sorry, I gotta use it from my washi tape. It is actually my favorite box. It's a white glossy box, and I used to use it to store all of my favorite washi rolls, but you guys can see my washi collection got out of hand, so I couldn't even see my favorite washi anymore because I just covered it up with so many washi tapes. So that's why I really wanted to get this under control, because I do really enjoy using washi in my planners, but I hadn't been using them because it just looks so cluttered and I could never find the one that I needed. Now I just opened up my top drawer, which is my everyday craft drawer, I guess you can call it. I do have an everyday makeup drawer, and I also have an everyday craft drawer. So that is the drawer that I use every single day for any craft project. So I like to rotate my craft items along with my makeup, although I have done a full declutter of my makeup, so I don't have to have an everyday like makeup drawer anymore. I still like to have it because I like to rotate my makeup. It's the same thing with my craft supplies as well, and I also like to use it up. You guys see that I do my use it up week in my planner every single month. I did do a new video on that recently if you guys want to check that out. I just love the idea of using up your stash, all the stuff that you already have, and leftover kits, leftover washi rolls. So I definitely will be using that. If you guys want to see my everyday like craft drawer, definitely let me know down below. Maybe I can show you the process that I use to make my everyday craft drawer. I usually try and change it out monthly for like the season or the month, or if I have like a color in mind for the month. That is typically how I do it. You guys can see I have whittled down the collection quite a bit. I still have a bunch of rolls that I'm deciding between, but now I am actually organizing them by color. Trying to do the best I can by color. Sometimes they're like our Easter ones that had like the green and yellows and oranges, and I didn't really want to separate the actual holidays, so I did try and keep those together as well. Obviously, like Valentine's Day was like all pink and red, so that was fairly easy. Now I'm just finishing up here, and my main goal was to try and fit everything in the boxes, and I think I have, so I'm so excited about that. I know it is still quite a bit of washi for any one person to have. You guys can see Kiko slipped into the video. She is my man's cat, and you don't get to see her very often because Patty and Kiko definitely are not the best of friends, but they have been making do so far. So I think I am totally done here. Oh my gosh, look at how much washi I decluttered. I am so happy. So I'm just going to put back my containers in the drawer so you guys can see that they all fit. Nothing is double layered. My goal was to make sure that I could find everything and see everything and be able to open and close the door easily. So you guys can see, look at how gorgeous that is now. So I am so excited. I know that I will be getting a lot more use out of my washi now that I can see everything and it just looks so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my decluttering process. Maybe it helped inspire you to go through some of your pretty crafty little items that are just sitting around collecting dust, but can be given to some of your friends and family that will absolutely love them. So I hope you guys are enjoying my decluttering series. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys can get notified. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!